Hello, my name is Grayson Cowan, and this is my third topic for exam number 3. For my third topic, I chose to discuss disease threats to human health and 3 major diseases modern scientists have accepted as part of life, and decide if vaccination of people, pets, and livestock should be mandatory, and explaining my stance on that. So, one disease that is very common is diabetes, and that is definitely just a part of life and how scientists have described that, and we have just started to accept that. Same with the flu. That is definitely a modern disease that has been around for a long while and will continue to change and become more prevalent in everyday life. With that, diabetes is also something that's just going to be around forever. Yes, there are cures, not cures for it, but ways to help it and prevent diabetes and help those that do have diabetes, such as insulin, injectable, and pills, and eating healthier. And I think the other one, honestly, is COVID-19, as it is going to be around for the rest of our lives and probably the rest of the world. And it's been around before that, as we were actually vaccinating pets for it, which many people do not realize. And it just finally became into a strand that impacts human life and humans in general. But with that being said, my opinion on if vaccinations should be mandatory for humans, I do not believe so, in my opinion. Before I got to college, I had never was vaccinated for anything except for my infant shots. Those were the only shots I got. And I've never had the flu shot and never had the flu. And with COVID, I think with those vaccinations, with them being so new, definitely a no on them needing to be mandatory, as we need to do more research on those vaccinations before we just start injecting them into people like we have been, and figure out side effects and if it's actually helping or not. But with any disease, it's always going to be a new strand that is created. So with vaccinating for that, I don't think there's a great possibility of always preventing it. Yes, you can prevent some of it, but not all of it. But on livestock and pets, I do believe shots like rabies shots are very important, and vaccinating our cattle and everything that we eat as far as livestock goes is important, because it helps the well-being of those animals, and we're also able to pick up signs on those animals quicker as humans compared to watching others. But with our pets, I think like the main vaccination is definitely rabies, and distemper and parvo shots are very important, as parvo could impact not just your pets but even wild animals as well, such as coyotes and any dog-related species. So with that, I believe human vaccinations should be optional, but on pets and animals, rabies and parvo and distemper shots should be mandatory. And that is my opinion. Thank you.